of that thing?
I know.
A sting?
A sting of
I
the
know.
cicada?
It's gonna be
wasp.
very hard. You might get an injury for days.
Yes.
That's gonna be painful.
Although according to everyone else, the most painful thing there is a bullet ant.
How about you put your finger out there? See how painful it is, Sebastian.
Oh no, you're not that person.
No, Padre, I'm not a masochist. Boy. Edit out my face though.
Eastern cicada killers have begun to emerge, and they make the national media hype over the cicadas look rather misplaced. Hunting, warring, patrolling, telling they do more in 2 months.
Show it to your professor.
Ay.
And show it to your professor.
The males are trying to win mates. Each claims about a square yard of territory.
Square yard?
So that's the owner of a square yard of territory.
Are they native
here.
from this place or?
Yes, they are native. They're eastern cicada killers. So they're here in July and August because that's the time when cicadas bloom. So they have lots of food, and lots of food means they have resources to mate and make more babies.
Oh, baby.
They don't have to worry about food.
But I have a question.
Yes, they make.
And why did they choose the window? Why are they in the window?
More specifically, why are they at our window?
Because they said, hey, this house looks comfy, smells good, they're cooking.
Let us in. Let us in. We'll sting you.
We have nothing to fear because, let's see, pigeons, coyotes, and what to do, they actually benefit from human activity in their suburban life.
Okay.
They love the gardens because they burrow.
I imagine, remember that one bird that used to come here, with the bird seed?
I have pity.
Only the females of the cicada killers have stingers.
Ooh.
So we can tell which one is the female there.
Yes, we can. Is the bottom one.
So only the females have the stingers?
Yeah.
Huh.
So the males doesn't. So does
Like-
the male even sting you or no? Yeah, let's go outside, capture some pigeons, and then release them here where the killer hornets are. Boom.
What I wonder is, dang it, it's been a long time.
Yeah, they're made for a long time.
You see how the thorax, everything is thicker in that one.
So do we fear it or not?
No, poor cicadas gotta fear it. Us, not really. I mean, females are the ones that sting, but it says that they're very mild. They're not aggressive.
Let me just touch it.
They're not mean.
Mama,
Although,
let me just touch it.
just like us, there's people that are not mean like your mother, and then there's other people that are mean.
Sofia, what is that?
So,
Science class, Sophie, what is this?
Sandals.
Huh?
Sandals.
Sendas, cicada killers.
Cicada killers.
Very good.
Right at our window.
Cicada killer wasp.
Right outside our window.
They're a wasp. We almost had a heart attack thinking they were Japanese hornets.
racist.
No, Japanese hornets, sorry. Asian hornets. killer hornets. Sebastian, you talk about manga all the time. Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, Sasha, post this to your group chat.
Apollo, come look.
Post it to
Apollo.
your group chat, post it to your- And post.
Apollo, come here, boy. Come, look at these. Look at these. Come on, boy. Yo con los caras de muerto. Come on. Look. Come here, boy. Up, 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 up. Look. Look. He doesn't want to.